don't know where we're going, I can't even guess. They packed us in here tightly, and now things are a mess. Feathers flying, hope is dying, pecking orders gone. I don't know where we're going, but something's going on. And on and on and on. We're riding in the chicken truck, riding in the chicken truck. Goose is, sorry, mired down in mountain muck, riding in the chicken truck. Someone's up from driving, they have been from the start. They say they have a plan and our best interest at heart. They are lying, we aren't buying their words anymore, but they're still up front driving and there's no exit door. No, there's only more riding in the chicken truck, riding in the chicken truck. We've lost our nerve, there's none to pluck, riding in the chicken truck. We're too chicken to get unstuck, riding in the chicken truck. They work to make us weak, we turn the other beak. We never thought to speak, too busy squabbling. They told us we can't fly, that we're just here to die. We never questioned why, now we are wobbling. They wanna make a buck, 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 so they put us in this chicken truck. Chicken truck, riding in the chicken truck. Our goose is cooked, we're out of luck, riding in the chicken truck. They're taking aim and we can't duck, riding in the chicken truck. Greed fouls things and makes life suck, riding in the chicken truck. We're clustered in a cluster clock, riding in this chicken, riding in this chicken. We're stuck in this chicken.